back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about these LA Color nails. So these nails, my goodness, I got these nails so long ago. They have been sitting in my little closet of things I want to try, and I have not tried them yet. I've been on a little bit of a nail kick, as you might have noticed if you've watched some of my other classes lately. Right now with quarantine going on, I mean, not being able to get my nails done is a big deal. So I'm like trying everything. So I had these in my closet, and about 4 days ago, I was like, I feel like today is the day to try these. I haven't really been excited to try them, and I'll tell you why. I got these at Walmart, and it was just a brand I'd never tried, and I was like, you know, I want to try everything, give everything a shot. I tried a pair of fake nails from Target, and I was not impressed with them. I felt like the nail was cheap quality. I felt like they didn't last. They fell off. It was just everything about it I didn't like. So with these, I was thinking along the same lines. I mean, to be honest, the packaging seems a little cheap, and then even when you take it out of the packaging, it like gets even cheaper. It's just like this little plastic. I mean, not impressive whatsoever, right? So I was like, great, these are going to be awesome. But I picked them because I liked the color. They're almost holographic, but they're so pretty. And that's why I picked them, because of the color, but I was not expecting much from them. Let's just say that. But this nail set comes with all the normal things, the nail file, the glue, the nails, of course. It's pretty standard. So I wanted to actually wear the nails for a bit before I gave this review. Like I said, I put these on about 4 days ago, and I did have 2 pop off yesterday towards the late evening time, but I also was not being very delicate with them. So it's a thing that happens, and that's one of the things that I love about press-on nails, is that a nail can pop off and then you just glue it back on. So you're not dealing with the chipped nail. You're not dealing with an acrylic you can't get back on yourself. It's like, oh, fixed. Okay, perfect nails again. Great. That's one of the pluses for me about fake nails, is the fact that, yeah, it may flick off, but hey, you can glue it back on. So along with the packaging being a little bit cheap, the nail file was also that. Like, it came already kind of dented a little bit. Like, it's just flimsy. Not the best nail file in the world. Definitely didn't use this. Used my own, but whatever. So then I got to the nail situation. Like, how are the nails going to be? Oh my gosh. I picked one of the nails out expecting it to just be like the ones that I had from Target, and these are a little bit more high quality than I anticipated. And then I always lay all my nails out before I put them on, just so they're in the right order, so it's really easy for me. I started putting them on and I was actually kind of impressed, and their glue was kind of good too, which is great. So yeah, I've been wearing these for 4 days, and I can't even tell you, I wish I would have tried these sooner. I can't tell you how many times I went to put on a new pair of nails and I was like, I just don't want to deal with that yet. But they are fantastic. So I wanted to show you, I have a nail missing right now, so I was going to do it with you and kind of show you how I put it back on. There's not really a whole lot of damage to the nail. It kind of just popped off in one clean swoop. A lot of times you know when a nail pops off, so you could take that nail and put it back on. This one, I have no idea where it went. I don't know when it popped off. I don't know how it popped off. All of a sudden it was gone. So who knows? But we're gonna put a whole new nail on. So they give you a bunch of nails and you find the one that most fits your nail. Well, if you lose that nail like I did, you can go back in the box and I guarantee you'll be able to find another nail that will fit. Even if it's just slightly bigger or slightly too small. Usually slightly bigger is the way to go. But I found another nail that is going to fit perfectly, so we're just gonna glue it on. So LA Color nail glue. I'm sure it's just, everyone probably just uses the same nail glue and slaps their label on it, right? So I'm just putting the glue in the nail, kind of covering everything. And then I'm gonna put a little bit on my actual nail. And this is the part that I think is the most difficult, is trying not to get the glue on you. Because if you put too much glue here or here and then you push it down, it's gonna pinch out the sides and then you might get it on your finger or whatever. So once it's on your nail, you wanna hold and pinch for like 20 seconds just to make sure you get a good bond. And then another thing I do with the fake press-on nails is I trim them to get as close to my natural nail length as possible, because if you do that, they will stay on longer. Now, if you want to have longer nails, go for it. And you don't have to trim, you don't have to do anything, but they will pop off more often, just so you know. The closer you get the fake nail to your actual nail length, the longer they'll stay on, and you'll have the least chance of them popping off randomly. So this index finger is just a little longer than my natural nail. So I'm gonna trim it. Just take the nail clippers and trim. And I try to go straight across, and then I'll just kind of clip the ends at an angle a little bit, and then I'll file. and then using my own file, not theirs, just file. This trimming also comes in handy for me when I see a pair of nails that I like their design on it, and they're like the pointy ones. I'm not really big into the pointy nails. That's just not my thing. So I'm able to trim them so that they have more of a square shape. I never really look at the nail shape when I'm buying my nails. I look at the design. If I like the design, I don't care what the shape is because you can change it. Perfect. And I definitely don't remember these nails being very expensive at all. I think maybe $6 or so, around that. I looked up the company LA Colors online, and they have like a beautiful website, and they have a lot of other products too. And knowing that I like these nails so much, it kind of makes me want to try out other products by them. I'd never really heard of them before or tried anything else that they had. But while looking them up, I saw some questions that came up about them. And these questions are from Google under the people always ask, you know, that little section where you can kind of clip down and get like real quick answers. I kept on getting LA Colors confused with LA Girl. So are LA Girl and LA Colors Cosmetics the same brand? No, they're not. They are separate brands, but they are owned by the same parent company, Beauty 21 Cosmetics. So good to know. I was thinking maybe like LA Colors was what LA Girl was calling their nails, but they're completely two different companies, and they have other products, not just nails. Also, LA Colors is cruelty-free, and they do not test on animals, which is great. What are LA Colors? LA Colors is a fun, fearless cosmetics brand that produces exceptional quality makeup at an amazing price. These were an amazing price. And I have to tell you, they're kind of very high quality considering the packaging they came in. Again, very impressed. We are experts of color, innovation enthusiasts, and value leaders. A little bit about LA Colors. I never really heard of LA Colors before, so thought I'd share what I learned about them today. But yeah, super impressed. Definitely gonna buy the nails again. Definitely go out and check out these nails. You can get them at Walmart. Online on their website, it didn't really look like you could buy them. It said they were available in store at Walmart. So I'm sure you can figure it out. But before you go get these nails, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly, along with reviews. If that's something that does interest you, please do click on my face. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. I'll see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Did you hear that little woof? And don't forget to subscribe. I got little Sadie over here. I'm trying to film my little nail video, and you just keep barking outside, don't you? You just keep barking outside. Stop barking, Dee Dee. Stop barking. You bet you're such a good girl. Such a good girl.